What's up, you guys? I'm back again, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your Easy Lip. Easy Lip had went ahead and sent me the removal tool when they had sent me their lip to go ahead and review. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the Easy Lip. Alright, so keep in mind this is about 3 to 4 months later after installing it, so it might be hard, it might not, to remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that. So I know today's video is not going to help everybody out, but one, like I said, my friends from Easy Lip went ahead and sent me this to go ahead and try out in the future whenever I wanted, and I think now is the time, which is 3 to 4 months later. And two, a long time ago, well, not a long time ago, but a couple months ago, someone had emailed me how to remove the Easy Lip. I'm assuming they didn't like it anymore, or I don't know why, I don't know the reason. But finally, today's the video that I'm going to show you guys how. So like I said, I know it's not going to help everybody out, but whoever helps out, I'm glad to help. So here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to smash that like button. Alright, so if you guys didn't watch the video of me like installing it and also testing it out, make sure to watch it. I'll either link it up right here up top on a card, or I will link it down below in the description box. Alright, so like I said, this is months later, and I mean, it's still on there. As you could tell, I'm seriously like tugging on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to pull it off. Okay. So one thing to note, I know you can't see my face, but one thing to note, start in the corners. Don't ever try to start in the front. You might rip off your paint. I don't know if that will happen, but you might mess something up. So start in the corner, give it a little tug. Once you got some space open like this, now you can just start working your way in little by little. This might be time consuming, so do it when you got time. Alright, so I know I'm this far right now, but I do want to show you. Make sure you have a drill, and make sure you get this. This is the product from Easy Lip. This is their little kit to go ahead and remove it. You're gonna see why you need this. I know I'm removing it by hand right now, but you're gonna see what this does in a little while once I remove it completely. So like I said, you're gonna need a drill for this, and you're gonna need Easy Lip's little like removal kit. So let's keep going and let's show you. So here's the Easy Lip. Honestly, after 3 to 4 months later, I still would recommend it for the price. On my other car, I have the Easy Lip Universal, which is a little skinnier than this. And it's crazy because I did get hit on the freeway. I did not mention that in any video, but I did get hit on the freeway on that car, my black one. And the Easy Lip is still on there, so it's pretty crazy. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you why you need the removal tool and a drill. So this is the removal tool and a drill, of course. So this is why. Alright, so you see all that black stuff under there? So all that residue that's left over, this tool is going to help you remove it easily instead of struggling. Of course, you could also use a heat gun and rub it out with your finger, but that's a lot more time consuming. So like I said, let's go ahead and show you how to remove this. So you want to go ahead and open the package. This is what's inside. So it comes with this little screw thing right here and this right here. All you do is just screw it together. Get your drill. Now you get the kit. Put it into the drill. It's on there. Alright, so this is how it looks once you put it onto your drill. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so all you do, this is going to be really hard to show you guys because I'm filming by myself. Don't worry, it's not going to damage you. This is what it's meant for. Alright, so just make sure not to leave the drill on one spot too long, because it could chip off your paint. If you're seeing scratches right now on my car, it's because before I even had this lip, I had scratched it before. Alright, so as you can tell, that did remove it. If there is spots, like I said, you could always hit it up with the heat gun and just use your finger. But pretty much with that tool, it's gonna help you out a lot. It's gonna make the process a lot faster. If you guys did enjoy, I will be sure to link that product down below from Easy Lip. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.